Natasha, are you ready?
Yes.
She's ready.
All right. Go.
Good morning. Welcome to the iGovTT Mobility Pilot Demonstration. This short demo includes 3 scenarios to test how productivity can be increased in government while working remotely. For today's demo, we will be using a traditional workstation and a tablet smart device. For each scenario, we will be demonstrating communication between the Minister of Science and Technology at his office in Port of Spain and his permanent secretary, who is currently attending a conference in St. Lucia. They collaborate frequently to ensure the effective running of the ministry. However, at present, they are physically in different countries at this time. Can mobile smart devices help them communicate under these circumstances? For our first scenario, we will be testing a video conference call. The minister needs to urgently find out what stage of approval a project has reached. This project is scheduled to start within 2 weeks, and the minister must decide whether he should expedite the approval process. The permanent secretary has her tablet, and she is currently online at the conference.
Hi, good day, Minister.
Hi, PS. How is the conference going?
It's extremely beneficial and it's going pretty well. Everything is as expected. It's on schedule, and I should be back in the country no later than noon.
That's good. Very good to hear. PS, the reason I'm calling is I need to find out the stage of approval of our project.
Oh, currently the cabinet note has been drafted and submitted, but we're waiting on cabinet's next sitting for it to be approved.
Very good news. I'm looking forward to delivering this project.
Yes, I believe it's going to be a very beneficial project and it's very exciting. I have a few details that I would like to discuss with you when I get back into the country in my office regarding the other projects.
No problem. Have a safe flight. See you when you get home.
Alright, thanks. Bye.
This ends our first demonstration of video conferencing. The permanent secretary was able to update the minister quickly without having to wait on traditional email communication for an update. Now on to the next demonstration. Document collaboration. The permanent secretary has submitted a document on the ministry's document collaboration system. The minister will review the document and make some revisions. He will also ask the permanent secretary to make a revision simultaneously. After both revisions are made, the permanent secretary then proceeds to print the document.
Hi, good day, Minister.
Hello, PS.
I have a meeting that I'm heading to within probably about half an hour, and I have a document that I would like you to review on the document collaboration system. Would you be able to facilitate?
Sure. Let me open it up. What is the name of the file?
Action items.
Let's see. Meeting review, cloud services for government. Action items. There we go. P.S. I noticed that the title of the document is missing. Can you just put that in while I make some other changes to the document?
Not a problem.
Sure.
Are you completed your changes?
Yes, I'm now complete. I have reviewed this document and it's okay.
Alright, thank you. I'm going to print it and head off to my meeting.
Very good.
Alright, bye.
No problem.
This concludes the second demonstration. The minister and PS were able to collaborate on a document and make revisions simultaneously in real time. Now on to the final scenario. submitting an online form for approval. For this demonstration, the Ministry's IT manager has completed an online form that requires approval by the Permanent Secretary. Once submitted, she reviews before sending an email reply to complete the approval process. There are suppliers that are awaiting to ship the product, so this approval must be done quickly.
IPS, I have a form that I need to submit to you for approval. Can you look into this? I really need this urgently.
Sure, no problem. Send it to me.
Okay. I'm sending this to you now.
Is this about the project that we were looking at and discussing?
Yes.
Okay, good. When it comes in, I'll check and make sure it's as we discussed.
I've just sent it.
Thanks, I've just received it. Okay. Everything looks okay, except one thing. I would like an additional computer added for a new resource that's coming in.
Sure, no problem.
Alright, thanks.
Let me just make this change to a form. I've just sent the updated form for your approval, PS.
Okay, have you checked all the information?
I have. I have. And it is accurate.
The costing for the unit cost is correct at
Yes.
10,000. Okay.
I'm awaiting your approval.
I've just received it. I'm going to just verify it.
Sure.
Okay, everything seems good. I'll approve it.
Still haven't received it.
Okay, I just sent it to you.
Okay, there we go. I received the notification. I will proceed. Thanks very much, PS.
I did. Please let me know when we have received the goods.
No problem. I will.
Bye.
This ends our demonstration. The IT manager and permanent secretary were able to finalize an approval after quickly collaborating. Thanks, Mr. Minister, Madam Permanent Secretary, and Mr. IT Manager. To recap, we have portrayed 3 scenarios where smart devices can allow government users to process tasks outside of the traditional work environment. With these smart devices, ministry personnel were able to perform video conferencing, document collaboration, and submission of an online form for approval. Thank you.
Okay, Tash, that's a wrap.